In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into GoDaddy and manage your DNS settings, specifically focusing on editing or adding MX records based on your email provider's requirements. Managing DNS settings might seem a bit daunting at first, but with a clear breakdown, you'll find it's quite straightforward. First, let's start off by logging into your GoDaddy account. If you're already familiar with this process, feel free to skip ahead, but for those who might be new or need a refresher, I'll walk you through it. Head over to GoDaddy's website and look for the top right corner where you'll see the Sign In button. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your user credentials. Make sure you enter your username and password correctly, and if there's an option to stay signed in, go ahead and check that if you're using a personal, secure device. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard. From here, you'll want to access your domain's DNS settings. Look for the Domains section. This is typically found either on the main page or under the Manage Domains link. Click on it, and then select the domain name for which you want to edit the DNS settings. Once selected, you'll see an option that says DNS. Click it, and you will be directed to the DNS management page. Now that we're on the DNS management page, let's focus on editing or adding MX records. MX records are essential because they tell the internet where your emails should be routed, linking your email provider with your domain. To begin, you might need to locate the MX records section, usually listed under the DNS records list. If you're editing existing MX records, look for the ones listed as MX among your records. Ensure you have the correct details from your email provider on hand, since you'll need to update these records to match their specifications. Click on the pencil icon or an edit button to make changes. If your email provider requires you to add new MX records, rather than edit existing ones, there should be an Add button somewhere near the list of DNS records. Click that, and then select MX from the drop-down menu if prompted. Now input the details exactly as provided by your email provider. This generally includes the priority and mail exchange fields. Priority determines the order, with lower numbers receiving higher priority, so make sure to enter them correctly. After you've entered all the necessary information and you're sure everything is accurate, it's time for the final step. To save your changes, look for a Save button, probably at the bottom or near the top of the page. Click it, and your new or updated MX records will be saved. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a few minutes or even hours to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if everything doesn't work instantly. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully logged into GoDaddy, managed your DNS settings, and updated your MX records, ensuring your email provider and domain can communicate properly. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial, and I hope it was helpful.